In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to an invoice in Xero. A credit note is a simple way to reduce what a customer owes you when there's a return, a discount, or an overcharge. Applying it directly to the invoice keeps your accounts tidy and your customer balances accurate. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along with confidence. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Sales. From there, open Invoices. This takes you to the list of all customer invoices. Switch to the Awaiting Payment tab so you're only looking at invoices that still have an outstanding balance. This makes it easier to find what needs adjusting. Locate the invoice you want to credit and open it. On the invoice page, look for the three dots menu, usually in the top right. Click that and choose Create and Apply Credit. Xero will open a credit note screen linked to this invoice, so you don't have to match it manually later. Before you approve, take a moment to review the details. Check the description to explain why you're issuing the credit, confirm the quantity and unit price, and make sure the tax treatment matches the original invoice lines. If you're only crediting part of the invoice, enter the partial amounts accordingly. Accuracy here ensures your reports and customer statements line up. When you're happy with everything, click Approve. Xero will apply the credit to the invoice automatically and reduce the amount due. Back on the invoice, scroll to the bottom where you'll see the credit note section. Click the credit note link to review what was applied. This is a great spot to double check the remaining balance and confirm the credit note reference and date. If you need to notify your customer, click Email on the credit note. A message window opens with the customer's details. You can edit the message to clearly explain the reason for the credit and how it affects their balance. Keep it concise, professional, and easy to understand. When your message is ready, click Send. Xero will send the credit note and keep a record in your history and notes for audit purposes. That's it. You've successfully created, applied, and shared a credit note in Xero. The invoice now reflects the reduced amount, and your customer's account is up to date. If the credit is larger than the invoice balance, the remaining credit stays on the customer's account to use against future invoices. Thanks for watching and happy reconciling.